How to see your Spotify Wrap anytime. If you're curious about your past Spotify listening habits, you can easily revisit your yearly Wrap recap right from your phone. Start by launching the Spotify app on your mobile device or tablet. Once you're in, tap on the search icon located at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Wrap followed by the year you want to check. For example, Wrap 2022. Spotify will then show you results that include the playlist or the official Wrap experience from that year. Tap on it and you'll be taken to a dedicated page highlighting your personalized listening stats. You can view interactive slides showing your top songs, artists, genres, and total listening time. Wrap also offers playlists based on your most played tracks, making it a fun way to look back on your music habits and favorites from the year. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.